5 absolutely amazing benefits of pressure washing your Kissimmee driveway. Most Central Florida driveways take a beating year-round. Signs of wear may be from high traffic or due to environmental influences, like rain or colder temperatures. Regardless of the reason, it is imperative to maintain your Kissimmee driveway to preserve the investment that you have made in your property. Begin with pressure washing your driveway. 5 benefits of Kissimmee pressure washing your home's driveway are: 1. Enhanced curb appeal. Your Celebration Homes curb appeal significantly contributes to your property value, demonstrating care and effort into maintaining your home. Your driveway and entrance to your home creates the first impression of guests visiting your property. Make sure that it is clean, clear, and safe underfoot with Kissimmee pressure washing services. 2. Maintenance. Are you tired of looking at the same oil and grease stains that plague your driveway, garage floor, or walk? These seemingly simple stains can impact the overall looks of your property, and are often difficult to remove. Get rid of the eyesore and hire a professional Kissimmee pressure washer to treat and remove the stains quickly and effectively. 3. Security. Speaking of maintenance, you must take care of your surfaces to prevent them from becoming potential hazards, such as a fall risk to those visiting your property. Routine pressure washing ensures these surfaces are not slick and slippery from the growth of mold or mildew, which is so common in wet or humid conditions. 4. Efficiency. It can be a time-consuming chore to clean and clear Kissimmee driveways and walkways, paths and patios. Save a lot of time and see results fast with a Kissimmee pressure washing professional like NRC Pressure Washing. The high pressure of the water removes grime, dirt, oil, and grease quickly, melting it away, without countless hours scrubbing the surfaces. 5. Longevity. Extend the life of your Kissimmee driveway and property with regular and routine pressure wash treatments. Thorough cleaning of these surfaces removes grime and dirt that, over time, may erode and compromise the integrity of your surfaces. Using a pressure wash approach to your driveway, walkway, or patios is gentler than the harsh, toxic chemical solutions often used by Kissimmee homeowners. Get a free estimate for your Kissimmee driveway cleaning today. Contact NRC Pressure Washing for a free no-obligation quote. Call 863-280-3012 or visit www.orlandoflorida.pressurewashing.com.